These days, nearly everything runs on electricity, but when the power goes out, you need to be prepared. At Vatland Honda in Vero Beach, we have a full line of affordable Honda generators, right for any setup or situation, as well as a state-of-the-art service center for maintenance and repair. Whether you need a portable system for personal or commercial use, when you choose a Honda generator, you get quiet, reliable, and fuel-efficient power. Visit us online at www.hondapowerdealer.com/Vatland Honda to learn more about our portable power systems today. Vatland Honda is located at 700 US Highway 1 in Vero Beach, Florida.